Hello and welcome to our course on the European Union Taxonomy. EU Taxonomy is a classification system for green activities, and it is an important instrument of the Sustainable Finance Action Plan adopted within the European Green Deal. The aim of the taxonomy is to steer investments into sustainable economic activities. As EU taxonomy and other related regulations about which we will talk in this training later on are being gradually rolled out, the companies and financial institutions should not underestimate the scope and effort required for reporting on EU taxonomy. It is critical to deal with this topic at an early stage to ensure that the framework scope, the assessment criteria and reporting requirements are understood and relevant data is identified and gathered. Equally, companies that are not within the scope of EU taxonomy reporting might also benefit from understanding the taxonomy requirements and voluntary reporting, as it might help them to secure their financing in the long term, given the overall shift towards the sustainable investments. Since the financial sector is obliged to report on taxonomy KPIs, they will demand taxonomy-related data from their investee companies and clients. And companies with a high proportion of taxonomy-aligned activities can then benefit from better financing conditions, as well as from the access to public funding and investment programs. This course has been designed on the request of my students who watched my other courses on sustainability and climate reporting landscape and who wanted to see more technical details with regards to preparation of reports. So I've listened to you, and this is my first course of this kind, where I invited a technical expert in ESG reporting who will take us through the EU taxonomy reporting KPIs and will explain how to fill in reporting templates. Welcome, Anastasia Kuznetsova.
Hi everyone, my name is Anastasia. I am a business analyst specializing in ESG regulatory and compliance reporting. I work for a fintech company that develops financial reporting solutions for banks, investment firms, and other financial market participants. Recently, we have also started to cover ESG regulations. Specifically, I develop expertise in such regulations as the Sustainable Finance Reporting Directive, the EU Taxonomy, and many others. I would like to invite everyone to our Sustainability Disclosure course, and let's understand the EU Taxonomy together.
Although the main objective of this course is to provide an overview of the required disclosures and calculations of the key performance indicators, or KPIs, under the EU Taxonomy, which will be led by Anastasia, I will also chip in with some additional explanations of the technical terminology, a bit of historical background, overview of the purpose of the green taxonomies, and other related regulations such as NFRD, SFDR, CSRD, and some other comments regarding the challenges of taxonomy's development and implementation. Hopefully this will make the course beneficial not only to the professionals who are involved in the preparation of reports, but to those of you who are completely new to this subject.